Hello everyone, this is your friend Olivia. Welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up address labels from Microsoft Excel to MS Word, quickly and easily. First, let me show you the address list I've already prepared in Microsoft Excel. Once you've reviewed your list, minimize Excel and open a new Word document. From the top menu, click on the Mailings tab, then choose Start Mail Merge and select Labels. In the pop-up window, under Label Vendors, choose Avery US Letter, and from the product number list, scroll down and select Address Labels, then click OK. Now you'll see the label layout appear. To make it more visible, right-click anywhere on the page, click the small down arrow next to the border icon, and select View Grid Lines. Next, click Select Recipients and choose Use an Existing List. Find and select your Excel file, then click OK. Once it's connected, click Insert Merge field and add first name, followed by last name. Press Enter to go to a new line, then insert Address. Press Enter again and add City, followed by a comma, then State, and finally Zip. To improve the formatting, select the full address block, click the down arrow in the paragraph section, and choose Remove Space Before Paragraph. You can also make first name and last name bold to highlight them. Once everything looks good, click Update Labels to apply the layout to all the labels, then click Finish and Merge and select Edit Individual Documents, followed by OK. Now your labels are fully generated, and you can make any final text edits if needed. When you're ready to print, save the document as a PDF, go to File, then Save As, click Browse, choose PDF as the file type, name your file and hit Save. Now your label sheet is ready to print. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Tech Hunter for more valuable document tips and tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.